Six types of car insurance coverage. Some are optional and some mandatory depending on where you live. An automobile insurance policy can protect you against financial losses if you are involved in an accident, but coverage is not one size fits all. There are six types of car insurance to choose from. First one is bodily injury liability. Second one is property damage liability. Third is medical payments or personal injury protection. Fourth is collisions. Fifth is comprehensive. Sixth is under insurance or uninsured motorists. Whether you are required to have all six types of insurance can depend largely on where you live, as certain coverage may be mandatory while others are optional. Knowing the difference between each type of car insurance can make it easier to choose a policy that provides the level of protection you need. Six types of car insurance coverage explained. The six types of car insurance you can get each serve a different purpose in terms of what they protect against. Some cover your vehicle or another driver's, while others cover property damage or personal injury. Here's a closer look at how each one works. First one is bodily injury liability insurance (BI). Bodily injury liability insurance is designed to pay expenses for someone else if you injure them in an accident where you are deemed to be at fault. This coverage can apply to you and to anyone else whose listed and whose listed as a driver on your policy. In terms of what this coverage can pay for, the list includes medical expenses, lost wages for pain and suffering. State law can determine the minimum level of bodily injury liability insurance coverage you need. Property damage liability insurance. Property damage liability insurance also covers you in accident in which you are at fault. It pays for repairs to the other's driver vehicle or other property you may damage. For purpose of this coverage, other property can include walls, fences, equipment including mailbox. Property damage liability coverage can also pay for damages to someone else's home. For insurance, say you are driving through a neighborhood and your brakes suddenly fail. Your car leaves the roadway, traveling into someone's yard and eventually stopping after colliding with their front porch. In that case, your property damage liability coverage would pay for repairs to the home up to your policy coverage limited. The homeowner could then use their homeowner's insurance policy to cover any remaining amount needed to finish the repairs. Medical payments or personal injury protection. If you are a passenger in your vehicle or hurt in an accident, medical payments coverage can pay for any resulting medical bills. Benefits are paid out up to the unlimited stated in your policy and can reduce any amounts that need to be paid by your health insurance coverage. Adding personal injury protection coverage to your policy can help to replace lost wages if you or an injured passenger are unable to work or Funeral expenses if someone in your vehicle dies because of an accident, the amount of coverage you are required to have can depend on where you